Hey everybody, and welcome to Technology and Toys, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a review of the TaoTronics active noise cancelling foldable Bluetooth headphones. These are over-ear headphones, and they do actually make quite a few different models of wireless over-ear headphones. These are the TT-BH047s, so if that helps, like always, they're linked in the description if you want to check them out. But these are great over-ear headphones. I've been using these since Tuesday. It is now Saturday, and I've been using these quite a lot since Tuesday. These have been on my head either with active noise cancelling or on playing music all day for the entire 7-8 hour school day, whatever, from 6:45 in the morning till 2:30, 2:45 in the afternoon. These have been on my dome pretty much all day for the past 4 days. Now, some of you who are veterans of the channel may remember that I have a couple pairs of headphones that are not AirPods or earbuds in general, and the ones that I use the most are the iJoy logos. But these have definitely seen better days, and you can see my feeble attempts to prolong their life. They're on-ear headphones. They're not that bad, especially for the price, but yeah, I think it's time that I retire these, and that's where these come in. So we'll do the ceremonial switching of my magnetic adapter into the TaoTronics headphones. Boom. There we go. Thank you for your service, iJoy. You have served me well. But let's take a quick look at the TaoTronics themselves now that they're the main focus. You have your active noise cancelling switch here, off and then on, and this does actually make a big difference. Maybe it's just me being used to my AirPods for the past forever, but these are incredible. Your switch, you've got your power button. This has a little bit of functionality aside from power and pairing. We'll go into that in a minute. And then on the front you have volume down, volume up. You have your charging port. This is micro USB. Your LED, you got microphone here, and then I believe you got microphones on top of the ear cups themselves. And then there's your good old friend, the headphone jack, if you are still someone who uses this cable. This is also included with the headphones. So when you get these and you turn them on first, they are automatically in pairing mode, so you just have to go into your device's Bluetooth settings and pair it, and they come up as TaoTronics TT-BH047. See, I have mine right here. So we're going to power it on, and they do make a sound.
Power on, paired.
Okay, we're paired, and I believe we're paired to the MacBook. Yes, we are. Let's not do that. Now, the volume buttons on the side do control the source volume. So if I keep pressing them, it will increase the volume. If you press and hold volume down, it does skip back to the beginning of the song. And I don't know if so much easier to do this. And then if you press volume up and hold it, it will skip to the next song in the album or playlist. And then again, we'll just skip back with volume down. One thing I did notice, I don't know if this is how active noise cancelling works, and I don't experience that with AirPods, but sound quality is increased dramatically when you turn on the noise cancelling. So let me go find the good song. Again, we'll skip to the good part. This is what it sounds like without noise cancelling. And then this is what it will sound like with noise cancelling. Hopefully this translates to the camera. It's a lot louder, richer, fuller, clearer, and this also is the same when you actually put this on your head and listen. Power button can be used for play pause, like so. this is a pretty decent pair of headphones, and one thing I want to point out is that they do show up in the battery tab on iOS devices, but you can see right here we have 80% on the headphones. And the headphones themselves, I don't think I mentioned this, are very comfortable to use. I'm the kind of person that will use them on both ears for a short period of time and then take the right ear off and only use the left ear, because sometimes I like to hear what other people are saying, other times I genuinely don't care. One thing I've noticed after using these is I use these in school, and I'll put these on and turn on active noise canceling, and then I'll take them off like 5 minutes later, or I'll just, you know, take the one cup off, and I can very clearly hear the HVAC systems, like that low rumbling of the fans and everything. I can hear that. Normally I don't, because I block that out. I can hear that after using these. It's that impressive. These are now my main pair of headphones. My main pair of earbuds has not changed. I don't think they will change until AirPods 2 come out, but if you're a company and you have a decent pair of earbuds and you want to challenge that, I'm not stopping you. These are $50 on Amazon. I'll have them linked down below. And so far, these get my 100% recommendation. I love these. These slaughter my previous headphones in every way possible. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned something. If you did, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, turn on notifications with the bell icon so that way you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. This has been Jake with Technology and Toys, and until those upcoming videos, I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.